So guys, finally Microsoft realized that they were making the mistake to do not give the option to user to uninstall pre-installed apps which you usually get to fresh install of Windows 11. So recently Microsoft released a new update in Canary channel and build is 25931, and in that so they are giving the option to uninstall pre-installed apps like Photos app, Camera apps, Paint app also. These kind of apps which you are not using, you can uninstall them from your system to free up more space in your system. So this is how you can also debloat your Windows and cut down all the processes which is running due to these apps. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall very easily. So there are so many apps you can get option to uninstall by just right clicking on them, like Photos app, Contacts app, so Remote Desktop app, Camera app, Cortana app, Calendar app, Mail app. So basically just go to Start menu and go to App section, and from here you can just uninstall any app which you want. Like you can uninstall Calculator, you can uninstall Calendar, you can uninstall the Camera app. So this is a simple way to free up more space in your system. Like Family app, if you're not using, just click here uninstall and it is gone. So basically they have implemented these apps, standalone apps you can get again on your Microsoft Store. So that's why Microsoft making this possible, otherwise they can't do it. So in previous Windows versions you can't still uninstall these kind of pre-installed apps. So this is a great step by Microsoft. You can get all the pre-installed app list in your app section and go into installed apps. You can also go from here, right click and installed app. So this is a just shortcut. So you can see power to taking 785 MB. So I'm using this, so I'm not going to uninstall it, but other apps you can uninstall like Sigma File Manager. Just right click here and uninstall. So this is not pre-installed app, but this is how you can uninstall the app. So basically the thing is Microsoft giving you option to uninstall more pre-installed apps. Still they are not giving this option like uninstall this Microsoft Phone Link app. So this is not great things. So maybe there is any dependency about this phone link, so that's why they are not giving option here, or maybe deliberately they want you to use it, right? So that's not a great thing as a user perspective. You can uninstall Cortana here, go here and uninstall it. So okay guys, that's a simple update I want to tell you. So okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel.